Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So as you can tell, maybe by my appearance or obviously by the title, I did just wake up and I turned on the camera right away because I'm going to be taking you guys through a day in my life as a small creator or small influencer, whatever you want to call me. I actually have a lot of like social media and YouTube work to do today, so I thought, you know what, why don't I take you guys along the journey, because I feel like I myself would be super interested in what it kind of looks like, you know, behind the scenes and not just like the whole filming part. So if you want to see a day in the life of a small creator, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
First up is skincare. That's the first thing I do right when I wake up in the morning. Right now I've been using the Clear Start by Dermalogica, and I don't do a double cleanse in the morning just because I wasn't wearing any makeup or so from the night before, but I do like to do just a water-based cleanser, and this one isn't too stripping, so that's nice. Now it is time for my morning skincare. Just gonna turn my light on. I am using the CeraVe Vitamin C in the morning. I'm experiencing some hormonal breakouts right now. Really there's nothing I can do about that except sort of stay calm and not let it get to me. Then I'm gonna go in with the Inculus Peptide Moisturizer. And then SPF, keeping it pretty simple. Guys, so now that I have my coffee, it is time for me to do some emails, some planning, and just any work I need to do on my computer. Alright guys, so now that I'm kind of done with my emails, at least for now, I do kind of work on them throughout the day too. I'm going to do some editing on my phone. I do raw edit all my videos before I send them off to my editor, and I do have the start of a skincare trial to edit. For every skincare trial, I kind of like to edit it as I go, so I don't have as much to edit at the end. So yesterday I started a new skincare trial and I have to edit the product information section as well as the first impression section, which I did on my boyfriend. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. So I'm done editing now. It is time for me to plan out my day. This just helps me get everything I need to get done. So this right here was today's video, so that's been posted. That is done. Alright, so I'm all done planning out my day. Some of that you guys might have not understood because I just have my own system of writing out what I have to do today, but it just helps me keep everything in track. So the next thing on the schedule is to finish a trial, so I have to get ready to do so. So it is time to do my hair, fix it up, and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube while I do so.
So these are from they're from Charlotte Parlay. So this is what I Instagram and I use on my really bad days or my sad days. But on my regular days when I just need some, if you are a person who has titties, you know what I'm talking about.
Now it's time to pick out an outfit. I think I'm gonna do something just simple today. So now it is time for the first filming process of my day. I am finishing a skincare trial on the Clear Start by Dermalogica line. So I'm just gonna get all the products I need. I'm gonna be filming my final update on these. I do typically need it to be close to pitch black in my room to be able to film well. Hey guys, so it has officially been 2 weeks since I have been using the Clear Start by Dermalogica skincare line, and I'm here to share my final thoughts. Now, first of all, I want to address my skincare situation right now. Done that. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit what I just filmed to then send to my editor. The video is fully raw edited, so I'm just going to let that export. Alright, so I'm done that video. Next is TikToks. So there's 2 TikToks I want to film today. One talking about hormonal acne and acne positivity, and then a makeup tutorial.
She's singing she's a lady, just a boy. Is singing she.
Alright, so I'm just setting out the makeup I want to use for my TikTok today.
I knew that it was right. I thought that you knew that it was right because of. I thought that you knew. I thought that you knew that. I thought that you knew that it was right. I thought that true love was instantaneous and reckless, and although that may be the case sometimes, learning each other's souls. Patience is the purest practice of perfection.
Alright guys, so I'm done filming my TikToks, and now that I have my makeup done, I am going to do some YouTube filming too. But first, we gotta clean up this mess. Alright, so all my makeup is put away now. Go back to the list. We are done the TikToks, both the ones I was looking to film, and now we have to film for YouTube. So in my awesome unit right here, I have any products that I need to film on in this section right here. And I need to film an unboxing video today with Lavinia. Set up the filming space, and I just jazzed up my look a little bit. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Lavinia, and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Quite a few products in here, so let's go through them. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! That's a wrap. Alright guys, so now that I'm done filming, what I do now, after I've done the video on the products that are like in my cabinet, I will move the products to my drawer of skincare to be tested. So I'm just putting all the products I talked about in the video in here. Now we're gonna go pick up a bunch of PR. I never know what to expect when I'm going to do this, so I have to go stop at where I usually get my PR and then a UPS center as well. We made it to the first stop, which is the UPS facility. First package, done. Alright guys, just picked up everything and we have quite a few packages right now, so super exciting. I'm gonna open them once I get home. Alright, I'm back and I have my tower here. Let's open this up. Honestly, have no idea what any of these are, so super excited. First package is from Madame Glam. Let's see. So we have 3 new nail polish shades. We got the shade Bubblegum Sky, this beautiful blue. Call of the Wild, a gray, and Peachy, which is a nice orangey peach. I feel like these colors are unconventional fall colors, but I'm super excited. And I do like to keep everything in the boxes until I have filmed on it or done the associated task, unless it's just like regular PR. Next box. Oh my gosh. We have some cool stuff in here. These are from the brand Pretty Val Cosmetics. We have some hyaluronic acid and anti-aging collagen puffy eye treatment masks. Cool. Also have their eyelash serum. You know how you see those serums online where it's supposed to grow your lashes? That. And then we also have some foot mask exfoliation peeling baby feet. Oh my gosh, should I try this? This looks crazy. I'm super excited about these super cool like beauty products. That might be interesting. Ooh. Hey lovely, welcome to the Sand and Sky family. We're so excited for you to receive your Sand and Sky products and hope you love them as much as we do. Can't wait to hear about your experience from Sand and Sky. I love like little notes from companies. So these are from the brand Sand and Sky. They are a skincare brand from Australia and I'm so excited to try their products. This is the Australian Pink Clay Mask. It's a pore fighting face mask and it's supposed to remove impurities and brighten. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they have the cutest packages when I was looking online. Like, look at this, such a cute one. And then we also have the Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. It's supposed to glow and plump the skin. So this comes with a little applicator, the actual product right here, and a little how-to. Can't wait to try these out. This is the Glam Up X GD11 Cell Factory Vita Hemp Cell Energy Ampule with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. I cannot wait to test these out as well. So obviously we have a lot to test out. I do want to put a little disclaimer here. Obviously I'm super grateful for everything I get as PR and having the opportunity to work with some amazing companies. So I don't want this clip of me showing you guys what I got to come off as like greedy or me being ungrateful. I'm super grateful for this job that I can have, and obviously without you guys I wouldn't be able to do it. But the reason I wanted to include it is I think a lot of people find it interesting to see what I get and kind of all of that comes with being a micro influencer. So yeah, so now I have to rearrange some stuff here to fit all the new stuff. Hey guys, so it has been a little bit of time since I last saw you. Basically in the meantime, I was working on video editing as well as thumbnail making. So basically I'll just explain the process a little to you. So I use iMovie to edit. I just do all my raw edits on there. So I just finished editing the Lavinia video I filmed this morning. I always like to, you know, film, edit, and get it to my editor as fast as I can, even though the video actually won't be posted for like another week. But by the time you guys are watching this, I do believe that Lavinia video should be up. But that's just kind of the way I work. I like to get things done. And then I was working on the thumbnail for that video. So I like to use a website called Remove Background if I need to remove backgrounds of anything. And then I use Mold IV on my phone. It's a really quick and easy editing app, so I really like that one, which is great. And after that I've just been responding to some emails, and as I'm speaking of that, I just got a new one. So really with emails I just do that all day long. It's not really like I'm done in the morning with that. You know, I always check it in the morning and kind of check throughout the day too, just because, you know, different time zones and people get back to me at different times. So I do all that. So really I finished everything I wanted to get done today, which is perfect. I try not to work too much in a day. You know, some days I do have like 12-hour days where I'm just working all day, or other days I only do some work for like 4 hours. So it really depends. Today was, I would say, a pretty like even day. I started working in the morning and I'm kind of working like a regular job schedule because it is just past 5 now. I think I'm gonna work a little bit more. I do have some video planning to do for tomorrow for some TikTok partnerships, as well as for the Banish channel, which I am now a host on, and I do my research usually for those videos a few days before I film them. So I'm going to work a bit on that and planning some videos, and yeah. 1 hour later, and I am finally done with that, and I think that is where I'm going to kind of call my day off. Sometimes I do a bit of filming towards the night, like if I'm trying out a new nighttime skincare product, I will film that like once I get home. And sometimes I'll edit at night too before I go to bed, but luckily I got most of what I wanted to get done today during the day, so I won't have to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of come along with me type video. I really enjoyed filming this. I thought it was super fun, and to kind of show you guys an insight on what a day in the life of a small creator looks like. So this is my day. This is kind of what I do on a regular basis, and it changes every day. And now because I'm not in school yet, for like when you guys see this I'll probably be in school already, but I have more time throughout my day to do this extra filming and stuff. Once school starts, it does get a bit more challenging balancing it out, and my work days look a little bit different as I have to kind of do them kind of all over the place and between my classes. If you want to see more content like this, more behind the scenes style stuff, just let me know down below in the comments. But I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you want to see more videos from me, you can check me out on the Acne channel. We post videos all the time about skincare tips, acne tips, and really informational videos. You can see me once a week on there, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My username is Lavinia, where you can see more daily content from me. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my